Can you cut the bathroom light off, sir? Unless you're using it. Today's video is an unboxing. This box is from Rooted Hearts. Rooted Hearts is a nonprofit organization that supplies sensory boxes for kids with IEPs. They also provide community resources and they provide education. Don't worry about Sage and Saint in the background. Hey, simmer down. I'm gonna have them open it too, but I'm just opening the big box. Yeah, like I said, Rooted Hearts, they are a nonprofit company. They provide sensory boxes for new autism diagnoses, and let me see, I believe you had to submit your IEP. So your child has to be 0 to 8 years old. And they have to have a autism diagnosis within the past 12 months. So it doesn't let me go to the second page, but you may or may not have to upload your IEP. Okay. So Saint, since you are right here, you're gonna help me open this, okay? Are you gonna sing? Some tape. OMG. Alright, she has a card. Let's see.
It's a wallpaper.
Saint, off my kneecap.
Don't do it.
What?
It's a
Okay, wait till I'm finished. You come help me? Sit right here. Come help me, please. Alright. She also included a card. Let's see what it says. What does that say? What does that say? What does it say? Saint. Saint, you're gonna help me do this video. What does it say? What does that say? Christina. What's Christina? Your mommy's name. What's your mommy's name? Your mommy's name is Christina. Alright, good job. Okay, this card says from Andrew and Joe Maria or Maria at Rooted Hearts Ministries. Dear Christina, you are doing a great job. I know that some days it feels like all your efforts seem thankless and meaningless, but I promise it means something to God. Keep pressing through and leaning on God for guidance and support. He does not make mistakes, and you were chosen to parent your beautiful and unique children. Keep going. Now that is a very cute card. Very cute. So, in here, this is a prayer card with a Bible verse on the back. Disclaimer, some of these things are choking hazards to children under 8 years old. This is a parent/caregiver occupational therapy toolbox. Okay, so this is a pamphlet that's giving you ideas to use your household items as occupational therapy tools, such as balls, balloons, blocks, Legos, Play-Doh, or kinetic sand. Alright, make sure I don't miss anything out the box. Sage, what are you doing? Come here, Sage. So we have a pen. Let me see how this writes. We have a pen. Okay, Saint, you want to open this? You want to open it first? Yes. Go get that from Grandma. Go get. Yeah.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, St. Thing. Okay, sit down, open the box. Come on, baby.
No.
No, you don't want to do it? Here, open.
No.
No. Open. Whoa. What's that? That's not a toy. What is it? What is it? It's a... Don't put your mouth on it yet. What is this? What is this? What is this? Hands down. What is this? A cup? Okay, I can take cup for sure. What else? So we got a cup. The straw. It's bluey. Okay, what else we got, Saint Saint? We got... Who's that? Mickey. And this is Imagine Ink. Magic ink pictures, so you can color on them with a marker. What else you got? What's this? What's that? Play foam. Play foam. And you got a toy spinner. And what's next? What's this? What's this? What's that say? Dough. Play-Doh. Wow. And you like the string most, I'm guessing. Wow, this is a very nice sensory box. Like, very, very. Uh-oh, we're missing something. Oh, there it goes. This is a very, kids are definitely always into fidget spinners. They love to color and they love to manipulate and squeeze along with the Play-Doh. Right, Saint Saint? Sage.
That's not yours. Come on, Bella. Give it back.
Wow. I think she needs pants.
It's cold?
Kind of.
Come on.
Come here, Sage. Okay, let's open Sage's box. Another one. Here you go, Sage. Open. What's that? What's this? That says, you gotta read it. It says chalkboard activity 10. Yep, it's Gabby's dollhouse. Well, I'll show it later. And you have, what are these? Stickers. Happy face stickers. Happy face stickers. What's this? You got a spinner. Ew. What's this? Play foam. And what's that? Play-Doh. Sage is left. We have not used this before, so I'm excited to see how they like it. And then we have some Play-Doh. They really love Play-Doh. That is the unboxing video. Like I said, this is a non-profit that provides sensory boxes for autism diagnoses that are less than a year old, from 0 to 8 years old. I will link their Instagram. I will link their Instagram in the description below, and make sure you check it out. They also have donation tabs, so if you are feeling generous, please donate to them, as well as my nonprofit, Shining on Autism Across the Spectrum. Thank you for watching this video today,